What's up, collective? Let's check up the temperatures. Something about exterior place and the statue that is close to the trees. Something about the park and the hats. Something is growing right now. Some powerful movement that will bring you judgment and the tower to somebody. Somebody is in the nine of cups right now, and because of something that happened that is connected with their friend group of their co-workers. You have a scarf. Your scarf is pushing you to move in direction of what you are not used to. What you are not used is your comfort zone right now. That's the energy that will send you the lucky, the sun energy, so you can step into what you really need to do. Something is connected with the color green, something about nature, something about nature, something the nature will give you the right direction, but first you need to stop on your tracks so you can make the inverse movement. You need to stop for a bit. You can be an emperor or an empress, and you are connected with somebody that is very heavy, somebody that has a lot of energy, somebody that needs space. Okay, somebody needs space for something. They need space to make the right move. Somebody needs space, the right space to make the right move, so they can be so they can be abundant. You don't know what they are making because they are trying to cut somebody in three ways. They are cutting somebody in three ways because there is some partnership that are being made on church that will be handed. This will be handed. This is a turn off to somebody that doesn't want to see the nature of something that they are on reverse because they could not see the nature of the problem, because they were receiving the wrong thoughts in the wrong directions to be full. Okay, somebody was receiving bad information. You couldn't pass. You couldn't pass this. You couldn't stop what you did. I'm feeling that you are alone right now, because there is no way. This could be a woman that was piercings. Okay, they are whites, maybe white American. There is somebody, something about the scarf. Okay, somebody who's scarves, and they are younger than you. And they can be brunettes. And they are a witch. Okay, this woman with a scarf, they are a witch. And they are making fun with their hair. Because of somebody can saw them at night. They know their secrets. Okay, I'm feeling that many of you are making art, and your art is timeless. Your art will work always, and somebody wants your heart to be ripped down. They don't want nobody to see your heart, but there is nothing that they can make to stop you, and you are making it anyways. And they are in a dark room watching everything that you do.